Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on a company, Magtame, M-A-G-T-A-M-E, and it's a magnetic self-recoiling cable. So it's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing here. I have one. This is a USB C to C, and it's a 60 watt. And they have all kinds of different colors. They have all kinds of different USB A to C, Apple N to A. There's all different kinds. I'll put a link to where you can buy this. And here's the cable. Doesn't look like anything but a normal cable, except it's really high quality, braided, very high quality. But here's where it is unique. It automatically, it's magnetic. It attracts to itself, so it stays in one spot. It stays untangled. So you can put this in your briefcase, your luggage, whatever, and it never will, probably shouldn't say never, but it won't knot. It stays nice and rewound. And that's the unboxing. So let's go ahead and go over some of the specs here and a little bit about the item. It's a 2024 newest magnetic charging cable with aluminum shell design. The magnetic USB-C cable is magically revolutionary embedded magnetic tech. 60 watt fast and safe charging, organized in seconds, keeps your spaces tidy, 48 strands of nylon braided material, and upgraded aluminum shell. So you can say goodbye to a messy desk. Stable, safe, super fast, PD 60 watts, 3 amp. Flexible design, the coiled USB-C cable can be wound to different sizes according to preference. The max length is 3.3 feet. Has again 48 strands of nylon braided USB-C cable. And compatibility, of course, is basically anything that takes a USB-C will work. So if you have a C to a C, it's going to work. If you have a C to an A, you just make sure to order the correct one that you need. So features and details. What makes this different, faster, easier, smarter, the first and most powerful embedded magnetic technology in a charging cable ever. A magical new way to coil your cable and charge your device, backed by a hassle-free, lifetime-friendly support. Flexible and retractable design. Embrace the future of charging with our magnetic retractable USB-C cable. Its inherent flexibility and stretchability can be wound to different sizes according to preference, getting rid of length for a streamlined, handy tension. It's also durable and stability and safe. Its bending tests 9,000, has a 90 kilogram tensile test, so it's very strong as shown in the picture. Tangle-free convenience. When you coil it, it stays coiled. Enjoy a tidy, organized workspace without the frustrations of unruly USB cables, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Has a powerful 60 watt, 30 amp fast charging. Experience super fast charging speeds with a powerful 60 watt output, whether it's your laptop, tablet, smartphone. Our cable delivers a high speed charging, getting you back to what you love without your agonizing wait. Has a 480 megs per Mbps data transfer a 1 gig file in seconds, save 2 hours a day. Widely compatible, the 60 watt magnetic USB-C supports a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, other USB-C enabled devices, making it a versatile charging solution for a variety of devices. So that's my video on the Magtame USB-C magnetic cable. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.